In 1990, two men walked into Boston's Gardner Museum and pulled off the biggest art heist in history. They weren't master criminals, they were just wearing police uniforms. At 1:13 a.m., they knocked on the museum door, told the night guards they were investigating a disturbance. The guards let them in. Big mistake. Within minutes, both guards were handcuffed in the basement. For the next 81 minutes, these fake cops systematically stripped the walls. A priceless Vermeer, 3 Rembrandts, 13 masterpieces worth $500 million. But here's the weird part. They ignored even more valuable paintings hanging right next to their targets. They knew exactly what they wanted. At 2:45 a.m., they vanished into the night. 34 years later, the FBI is still hunting them. $10 million reward, 0 arrests. The empty frames still hang in the museum today, a reminder of the perfect crime that changed museum security forever. Someone planned this heist from the inside, and they're still out there,